Good morning. Today is Thursday, April the 2nd, 2020. I'm coming to you from my living room this morning because I wanted to let my dog be a part of the video this morning, and he's not wanting to cooperate. So I kind of came in here. Here's Grover. Say good morning, Grover. Good morning, class. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video yesterday. I liked doing something kind of funny, making you laugh, hopefully. But today I wanted to talk to you about what you're doing at home for exercise, what you're doing outside each day. I don't know, if your parents are kind of making you have like a recess time and time to go outside and take a break. I know some days it rains, but we're going to have a lot of beautiful days coming up. I know today's supposed to be a really nice day, a little cooler, but still be a beautiful day. But I want to tell you about what I do every day. I have started taking lots of walks with Grover. My house is not very far from the Greenway, and I'm able to walk down there and walk with Grover. So I've always taken him for a couple walks every day, but they weren't always very long walks. But I would say every day during my lunch break, that like 11 to 1 time, we go on a nice long walk. I probably take about 45 minutes and go on a walk with Grover. And we are still keeping our distance from other people, not, it was so important that we are staying apart from each other and not getting in groups and stuff. But we do see other dogs while we're out walking and some neighbors and things, but he likes to sniff around and see all the different things that there are to see along the path as we walk. So that's my challenge to you today. I would like, if you could respond back to this video and tell me, what are you doing outside? What are your favorite activities to do outside? Maybe it's an exercise or a game or going for a walk or doing something in your backyard. Could be planting. I know I've been doing some planting of some plants out on my deck as well. So some of you may be getting a garden ready. I'm not sure. All right, guys. I look forward to hearing from you today. Have a great day. Let's see if I can get Grover in one more shot. Grover, say goodbye. He's definitely not being very cooperative. Bye, guys.